Hello friends, welcome to VCreations Tech. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can create our own code snippets. In my earlier video, I have explained that what is a code snippet and how we can use code snippet. To just recap quickly, code snippets are ready-made snippets we can quickly insert into our code. For example, we have created a piece of code and we given a short name of that code snippet. If we want to insert that code snippet into our code, just we have to call short name of created code snippet and then it will get inserted into our code. Coming to our main topic, so how do we have to create our own code snippet? Code snippets are written in XML. So first we need to create one new XML file. You can do this from the file, new, and select file. You can select XML file, click open, and then we have to save this file in some directory. Okay, here I have taken my code snippet folder on desktop. You can take wherever you want to create a directory. You can. I have saved my file in this directory, but when you save it, you must use the snippet extension, not XML. So I am going to call this my snippet, that snippet, so not XML save, and after that copy and paste the template snippet code that I have provided for you in description. And so let's me do this. So let me copy and paste it. Okay, I have copied code snippet template and I have pasted in this XML file. So this is the template for the code snippet. So all code exists in this code snippet tags. Code snippet tag has its own snippet tag and each tag has two main tags which are header and snippet tags. We will now create a simple snippet example for property code snippet that we have already have, but we are going to modify it little bit. We are going to make it bit different. The actual snippet creation is happening within the header and the snippet tag. Like I already mentioned, the header has three main tags: title, shortcut, and description. Title is the title of a snippet which give it a meaningful name. The shortcut is a shortcut that we are using to invoke the snippet, and the description is a description. Of course, we know what is the description is. It describes the snippet. So well, let me create a snippet of property. In title, I will write a property snippet. In description, we'll write create property of string, and in shortcut tag, I will write prop s. Here I am going to create a property with a string data type. So for that reason I have taken the shortcut prop s. You can take any name whatever you want based on your code snippet. This is the easy part, right? Now we have to write code for property snippet. So we have to go into the snippet tag and I am going to call the header tag within the code tag. This is where we write the code between the square brackets of C data. This is where our code lies. So here we are going to write property code like this, and our basic snippet is completed. Now how do we use this snippet? I am going to open now a sample project, and in order to use this code snippet to import is to Visual Studio. You can do this in one or two ways. You can go in the tools menu and open the code snippet manager, or you can click Ctrl K and Ctrl V. The code snippet manager window box will be open. Here we have to select the language. I am selecting C#, or whatever your language is. You can first you need to add a folder, so you can add the folder of code snippet. That there you will find the code snippet file that you just created. Here I am adding my folder, and here you can see the created code snippet file. It will list the snippet. You can see your snippet file and click the OK. And now we can use the shortcut. Type prop s. As you can see, we have this shortcut, and you can see create a property snippet in the code editor, which we have written in description tag, and click on tab twice, and done. We have successfully inserted our code. Okay, let me show you another example. Here I want to create a for each loop with a list collection. Let me go to code snippet file and we'll create our code for each loop. Here I have created a for each loop with a list of objects and given shortcut for each loop as for each L. In description have written create for each loop, and in title have written as for each loop code snippet. Now we'll try to import our for each code snippet using the shortcut. We'll go into our sample project file and we will type for each L. Click on tab twice. Here you go, for each loop got created. In this way we can create our own code snippet. It will be useful whenever we using the same kind of code in many places. We can create a code snippet of that can import wherever we want can code file by using shortcut. Okay. Not only this, we can create n number of code snippet by our own, and we can use it in our entire application wherever we want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.